cutting it kind of close, don't you think?
Haha, you're so funny, Danny. You want a medal?
You know I'm just teasing, girl. Relax. But for real though, why are you late?
If I told you, you wouldn't believe me.
Try me.
Open the door! What the hell, Carter? I know you're being dummy! Open the door!
D-bag alert. He walks around like he owns the place.
You made it. Good for you.
What the hell's your problem, huh?
Call off your goon.
Who you calling a goon, Silver Spoon?
Well, this silver spoon is gonna get one of those guardian certificates. And y'all are gonna be stuck wandering the earth for 100 years. Are you kiddies in it now? If you don't, when you don't pass today, you guys get sent to wander the earth aimlessly for 100 years before you can even try to apply again.
Bullshit.
Not according to my parents. And there's 5 students, 2 certificates. You can do math, right?
It's fine. We studied so hard. We'll be fine.
We'll see about that.
Red. I'm sorry.
Line up and open your bags for inspection. You're good? All right, you're good? Thank you. You're good? What is this?
I don't know what that is. It's not mine.
That is not hers.
This is a cheat sheet, Noor.
It's not mine. I've never seen that.
You know we have a zero tolerance policy for cheating.
Exactly. And she's never cheated in all her time here, so why would she choose exam day to do that?
I don't need you to advocate, Daniela. Thank you. You can sit down.
That's not mine. I would never cheat. Someone must have planted that on me.
I'm afraid this means an automatic F for you, Noor.
No, please, don't do that. You did this.
All right, that's a very serious accusation, Noor.
Carter's been trying to sabotage me all day. First the door, now this.
Oh, I would never. If anything, she's trying to ruin me with these accusations.
All right, that's enough. This is a very serious infraction, and Noor, you're launching some very serious accusations. Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. There's cameras in the hallway, right? I think you should check them.
This is ridiculous.
If you didn't do anything wrong, why are you so worried about the camera footage?
Oh, this is gonna end up on his record.
All right, you and you in my office now. All right, so.
I did nothing wrong. Just trying to undermine my reputation.
What reputation? What would I even gain?
We all know you're jealous of me.
You think everyone is jealous of you. We get it. Your mom was Michael Jackson's guardian angel, but that was her, not you.
All right, enough, you two. Now I have the camera footage. Let's take a look and see who's really telling the truth.
I knew it!
Well, there you have it. Carter, you know what this means, right?
No, please, you can't fail me. I'll do anything. My parents will kill me. Disown me.
Well, you should have thought of that before attempting something like this, young man.
No.
It's an automatic F. You'll be sent to Earth for 100 years, after which you can come back and try again. Noor, you're dismissed. You can return to the classroom.